Oh, they just stopped. I don't know where they went. Say hi, Evie. We're gonna go visit the horse's graveyard, maybe, if we can find it. No, I'm taking a video. Because I'm cool like that.
Well, that was awkward. Hi.
I don't know where we're going, so this should be fun.
I don't know where we're going. Oh, that looks like it might be a grave.
Oh, yeah, this looks about right.
Misty.
Misty the horse.
Well, I choose you.
Oh, God. Misty the horse is buried here.
This is a huge grave.
Well, I bet it was a huge horse. Oh, now I'm hearing creepy noises again. I don't know what that is.
Must be just some Irish music.
Well, that's interesting.